So guys, this is part of the, or rather the beginning of the Fiesta, the Peña Francia. This is one of the carnivals. As you can see, I hope the light's not very good, but there's loads and loads of people. So we'll move our way through the crowds. Now, when you come to a place like this, guys, you must keep your hand on your wallet, because the thieves come into crowds like this, and the kids, if you ever get a ring of kids around you, you know you're about to be robbed, because they normally use the kids. So make sure you keep your hand in your pocket, so nothing's going to go missing. So I brought a few of the family out. Where's Mel gone? Oh, she's there. I brought a few of the family out. I can't believe how many there's here.
Crowded.
Yeah.
There's no people.
Too many people. The last time they had a carnival before the pandemic, there's hardly any people here. But this time, my God, there's loads. Let's walk across there, Mal. Walk across there. Huh?
What do you say?
Let's walk that way. Oh, that's better. It's a bit lighter here. So let's see what we've got over here. Just have a look. I didn't think they could gamble with cash. Obviously, it depends. Huh?
Bingo.
Bingo. I'm sweating like a you-know-what. Bingo! Yeah, everybody likes the bingo.
About LCC, this one.
Huh?
Did you say about other LCC?
What?
This place.
Oh yeah, this place, guys, if you come to Naga, how long is it on for, Mel?
Until Fiesta.
Until the end of Fiesta. This is next to LCC. Bingo a lot different to how we play it. Just throw money, and if it lands fully on the number, you get a prize. So Mel's going to die with death with my little girl. She doesn't realise what she's getting herself into. Here's Binunai and my little boy, Matman. Where's the rest of them? Where's Kelly?
There.
Oh, she's there. There's Kelly.
Hi.
There's Sander. Where's the other two? Haven't they come? Where's Kiana? Didn't she want to come? So don't forget, guys, if you say you're going to come to somewhere like this, I'm lucky. Not all the family got to know, otherwise there'd have been a load. And you'll have to pay. Well, you don't have to pay, but you're expected to pay, right? So I'm hoping they don't come to
Free entrance. Free entrance.
right just to get in here. Well, I would think so. Can you feel it starting to rain? I keep feeling rain. Oh my God, the floor's shaking. Fia's laughing. I've not seen Matthew yet. Oh, Matthew's laughing, my God. I don't believe it. I thought they'd be crying their eyes out. Ooh. How was it? Yeah, really good. It's good? Wait till it stops. Mel, were you scared? No. No? Really? Was it good? Kelly and Banu night's going on here. You can see Kelly's not happy. Kelly is not very happy. Oh my God! God, look at the faces. Even Banu night. See her face. Right guys, we've had a great time. It's the end of the video. We hope you've liked it. Just a family evening now with the kids and the fair.